Have you ever stopped to realize that your most valuable asset, your time, is currently being liquidated just to keep your head above water? Think about it. If you stopped working tomorrow morning, how many days would it take for your bank account to hit zero? For the average person, the answer is terrifying. We have been conditioned to live within the linear income trap, the dangerous idea that wealth is a direct result of hours traded for dollars. But while you're exhausting yourself to earn a yearly salary, the wealthiest man in history, Warren Buffett, is doing the exact opposite. He doesn't work for a salary. He builds engines that produce cash while he sleeps, eats, and reads the newspaper. In this video, we are going to dismantle everything you've been told about saving and earning. I'm going to show you the exact framework Buffett used to turn a failing textile mill into a cash-generating behemoth, and more importantly, how you can use those same pillars to convert your current yearly income into a predictable, monthly cash flow. By the end of this video, you won't just understand how to invest. You will have the blueprint to flip the switch from active labor to passive survival. If you want to stop trading your life for a paycheck, you cannot afford to miss the final lesson in this script. Before we dive into the first pillar, I want to be honest with you. Our team spent over 40 hours researching Buffett's annual letters, private interviews, and financial filings to condense decades of wisdom into these next few minutes. Also, you can have this information for free. Most people will watch this, take the value, and leave. But if you're someone who values the hard work that goes into financial education, all we ask is a 1-second click on the subscribe button and the like button. It's a small gesture that keeps this mission alive and allows us to keep helping you build your financial freedom. Thank you for being part of the 1% who actually supports the creators they learn from. The death of the linear income trap. Imagine your income is like water. For most people, income is a bucket. You go to the well, your job, fill the bucket, and carry it home. If you stop walking, the water stops coming. Warren Buffett doesn't carry buckets. He builds pipelines. The linear income trap is the psychological ceiling that says if you want more money, you need a second job, a promotion, or more overtime. Buffett realized early on that there are only 24 hours in a day, which means linear income has a hard cap. To escape, you must view your income not as a tool for consumption, buying a better car or a bigger house, but as seed corn. Every dollar you spend on a luxury today is a soldier you've sent to its death instead of sending it into the battlefield to capture more dollars for you. The productive asset rule. To start your monthly cash flow journey, you have to understand where to put your money. Buffett famously divides all investments into 3 categories, but he only cares about one. First, there are currency-based investments, cash, bonds, savings accounts. These are safe, but they are being eaten by inflation. Second, there are non-productive assets. Think gold, Bitcoin, or art. These assets don't do anything. If you buy a cube of gold today, in 50 years, you still have a cube of gold. You only make money if someone else decides to pay you more for it later. Buffett calls this the greater fool theory. Then, there is the third category, productive assets. This is the holy grail for monthly cash flow. A productive asset is something that delivers a good or service and produces capital. Think of a farm that grows corn, an apartment building that collects rent, or a business like Coca-Cola that sells millions of drinks a day. These assets don't need the stock market to be open to create value. They produce yield. When you own a piece of a productive asset, you are entitled to a share of that yield, often in the form of monthly or quarterly dividends. This is the first step. Stop buying stuff that sits there and start buying stuff that works. The power of the economic moat. Now, how do you choose which productive assets to buy? This is where the economic moat comes in. Buffett doesn't just want a business. He wants a castle with a shark-filled moat around it. Why? Because for your monthly cash flow to be reliable, the business must be protected from competitors. Think about a company like Apple. When it's time for a new phone, most users don't shop around. They buy the new iPhone. That is a moat. Think about See's Candies or Coca-Cola. If a competitor lowers their price by 5 cents, does everyone stop buying Coke? No. That brand loyalty is a moat. If you invest in a company without a moat, your cash flow is at risk. A new competitor can come in, start a price war, and suddenly your dividends vanish. For monthly cash flow, predictability is your best friend and volatility is your enemy. You want boring businesses that people use every single day, regardless of the economy. Let's take a second to get real. We've all had that moment where we realized our job wasn't going to make us wealthy. Was there a specific breaking point for you? Maybe a rejected vacation request or a measly 2% raise that made you realize you needed to start building your own cash flow? Or perhaps you've already started your journey. Drop a comment below and share your experience. I read every single one, and your story might be the spark someone else needs to hear today. The wait for the fat pitch discipline. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to build cash flow is activity bias. We feel like we have to be doing something, buying, selling, checking apps. Buffett uses a baseball analogy. Investing is a game with no called strikes. You can stand at the plate and watch hundreds of pitches go by. The crowd might yell, "Swing, you bum," but you don't have to. You only swing when you see the fat pitch, the perfect opportunity where a productive asset with a massive moat is trading at a discount. Most people bleed their yearly income away by swinging at mediocre stocks or trendy crypto coins. Buffett teaches that wealth is made in the waiting. You accumulate your war chest, your savings from your job, and you wait. When the market panics and prices drop, you deploy that capital. This maximizes your yield on cost. If you buy a dividend stock when it's on sale, your monthly cash flow is significantly higher for every dollar you invested. Reinvestment versus extraction, the turning point. This is the most critical phase, the psychological battle of the soldiers. When you start getting your first $10, $50, or $100 in monthly dividends, the temptation is to spend it. Don't. Buffett views every dollar as a soldier. If your soldiers bring back prisoners, interest/dividends, you don't execute the prisoners by spending them on a steak dinner. You recruit them. You put them back in the field. This is the velocity of compounding. In the beginning, the growth feels slow. It's like a snowball. For the first few feet, you're just pushing a small cold lump. But eventually, the snowball reaches a tipping point. This is the moment where the interest on your interest begins to exceed your original yearly salary. This is when the switch flips. You are no longer working for money. Your money has reached a critical mass where it produces more value in a month than you used to produce in a year. The secret of float. Finally, we have to talk about Buffett's secret weapon, float. In the background summary, we mentioned Berkshire Hathaway started as a textile mill. It was a dying business. But Buffett used the small profits it did make to buy insurance companies. Why insurance? Because customers pay their premiums up front, and the company doesn't have to pay out claims until later. In the meantime, Buffett has billions of dollars of other people's money just sitting there. He invests that money into productive assets. While you might not own an insurance company, you can create your own personal float by minimizing high-interest debt and using your credit strategically to keep your cash invested in productive assets for as long as possible. Turning your yearly income into monthly cash flow isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a fundamental shift in how you perceive a dollar bill. Remember the big promise I made at the start? That you could flip the switch from active labor to passive survival? It happens the moment you stop being a consumer and start being a capital allocator. When you prioritize productive assets over currency, look for economic moats instead of hype, and have the discipline to wait for the fat pitch, you aren't just saving money. You are building a machine. Eventually, that machine will become so efficient that the question won't be, how much do I earn per year? But rather, how much cash did my assets produce this morning? That is the freedom Warren Buffett discovered. And it is the freedom that is waiting for you if you start treating your income as seed corn today. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. If you found even one insight here that changed your perspective, please share this video with a friend or a family member who is still stuck in the linear income trap. You might just change their financial future. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more deep dives into the strategies of the world's greatest investors. And if you're ready to take the next step in your journey, click the video on the screen right now to learn about the 3 asset classes Buffett says everyone must own. I'll see you over there.